I'll do it for an hour and then I'll go to sleep. It's almost midnight here in Canada. Paano kaya ilagay yung ano?
Mr. Chair, if the COMSEC would be able to replay the videos with the audio, that might be critical to the discussion, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll already doing something about the technical difficulty, Your Honor. There's an audio.
Mr. Chair, before I proceed, any more videos po sa or can we proceed with the questioning?
As far as wala na pong ibang pumasok, ibang pagkakataon na pumasok po yung doon sa loob ng opisina ni Attorney Lopez. Nakita nyo, pinakamarami na ho yung
detention center. Detention center, not office.
Opo. Mr. Chair, if I may, tama po ba yung nakita ako? So, nung pumasok po, nakita natin napakakalmado kasi po ang description po ni Attorney Lopez, ni Yusek Zulaika, doon po sa kanyang press con, ganon yung motion niya when she was talking about how they knocked. So mukha pong kitang-kita doon sa pinakaunang video, napaka-gentle nga po nung pag-knock nung LSB personnel. So siguro po yun po yung una. Second po, in terms of using the word barge, that did not seem to me like barging in. Kasi po, nung binuksan po yung pinto, konti pa nga pong sumilip yung pong LSB personnel, Mr. Chair. The third thing that I spotted po is may ilaw pala doon sa kwarto. So parang it seemed like a matter of choice when they conducted the press conferences in the dark. So mukhang sila po yung pumili na patayin po yung ilaw doon sa press con. Pang-apat po na gusto kong i-highlight doon sa video, kung bibilangin ko po, Mr. Chair, and I'd like to request for SAS.
Second. Second night, yung transfer order. Mr. Chairman.
Congresswoman Chuansing.
Mr. Chair, siguro po, kung titignan po natin doon sa timeline noong press con at saka nung pagtawag nila ng medical emergency, parang meron po kasing parang 2-hour gap. So siguro, Mr. Chair, tanungin ko lang po, ano po ba ang nangyayari doon po sa labas ng kwarto? May komosyon po ba? Wala po ba masyadong tao doon? Sino po yung nasa labas?